Hey everybody, Flamin' Jackson here. Hope everybody's doing alright tonight. Tonight I'll be reviewing these Veggie crisps here, and it's from EATSMART Snacks. Once again, it's EATSMART Snacks Veggie Crisp Sea salt, made with potato, tomato, and spinach ingredients. It says here on the back, EATSMART Snacks Veggie Crisps are made with potato, tomato, and spinach ingredients. Then are seasoned with sea salt to bring out the subtle veggie flavors and prepared in 100% expeller pressed sunflower oil. This non-GMO project verified snack with a satisfying crunch will leave you feelings of more good and less guilt. Ingredients: potato flour, potato starch, expeller pressed sunflower oil, salt, tomato paste, sea salt, spinach powder, potassium chloride, turmeric, beet powder. And it says here on the bottom here, check us out at facebook.com/EATSMART Snacks. And follow us on Twitter at EATSMARTSnacks. And right here it says visit us at EATSMARTSnacks.com. I really like the aroma. I mean, it's not really, the aroma ain't really strong, but you could definitely smell the veggies in there. That's what they look like. They are pretty good flavored, y'all. I could tell I don't have a lot of salt in them, which for me is really a good thing because I've been trying to watch my salt lately. It's definitely different, the flavor, but they are pretty good, y'all. Flavor-wise, I would probably give that, these a 6 out of 10. Hold on, y'all, we'll get something here. I wasn't originally going to do this right now, but I believe I will. I got some salsa here. I've been meaning to review. It's this cheese hot, thick and chunky salsa. This is the hot. It said, "Let the fiesta begin." And on the ingredients here, it says tomatoes and tomato juice contains citric acid to acidify, calcium chloride, firming water, concentrated crushed tomatoes, onions, jalapeno peppers, contains vinegar, contains 2% or less of salt, white vinegar, dehydrated garlic, onion powder, natural flavor, and citric acid to acidify. Distributed by Mega Mex Foods LLC, Orange, California, 92868. Hormel Foods LLC. Alright, y'all. it up there for y'all. That's what that looks like. Set this right here. I wasn't originally planning on trying the salsa in this video, but I really do enjoy the chips. It's not the best thing I've had, but they're not bad neither. I mean, for one to be veggie snacks, I mean, it's a healthier, alternative to your standard potato chip. I mean, you can tell they don't have hardly no grease at all in them. I mean, might have some. I really like this Non-Gmo. Like I say, I was originally just going to be, reviewing these veggie crisps here, but I decided that, I was going to go and review the salsa too, because I want to dip these chips in some of that salsa and try it out and let y'all know what I think about it. That's the reason I don't have my table out right now. Check out the table right here, y'all. I would have to clear it off real quick. There we go. Oh. Oh wow. I love the aroma of this salsa, y'all. Get some other tomatoes. Whatever types of, spices or chilies in this. Picking up on the vinegar in it. So it's got citric acid and jalapeno. Yeah, I'm definitely picking up on the jalapeno, the onions, and the tomatoes in this. It has a really good smell, y'all. That's a good sign, y'all. Let's have it for me, y'all. You can really definitely taste the tomatoes and the, I can tell the vinegar's there. It's not overpowering. I'm picking up on the spices. I don't know if it's just me. It's probably just that my tolerance is getting high. But this is supposed to be hot, cheese, thick and chunky salsa. It seems pretty mild to me, which I guess if you're not a non-chili head, it probably would be hot. I've been trying to build my tolerance up lately. It has excellent flavor. This salsa here, I'll give it probably about a 9 out of 10 for flavor. And on heat, wise, I don't even know if it's a 1. It might be close to 1, but I don't think so. It's almost a 1. It's not really moving my needle much at all, y'all. But as far as flavor, it has excellent flavor, y'all. So you definitely need to try it. That is good. I would totally recommend both of these products here. This cheese here, the hot, thick and chunky salsa, has great flavor. Like I say, I mean, it don't seem hot to me, but I've been building my tolerance, you know, so I believe that's the reason it don't seem hot to me right now. But it does. It has excellent flavor, y'all. These Veggie Crisps too. I recommend these too. These EATSMART snacks, Veggie Crisp with the sea salt. I recommend these too. It's definitely a better option. You know, it's a lot healthier for you than eating your regular potato chips. Because, you know, most of your potato chips, you know, they're loaded in oils and fats and a lot of salt. This has some salt on it, has sea salt, but, you know, it's not, it don't got a ton of salt in it. It's been lightly salted. So if you're looking for a better, healthier option than potato chips, this will be the way to go. And it's allowing you to get some of your veggies in you, so go out and try both of these products, y'all. You'll be glad you did.